Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel Edmond Mindaros, and for today's quick tutorial and I'm going to show you guys on how to change the default search engine in Google Chrome. And without further ado, and let's go ahead. So all you have to do is to open up on a Chrome browser, and then dito lang sa top right corner, and then kailangan mo lang i-click tong tatlong dot. And then next step ay, kailangan mo lang i-select dito yung settings. So, click mo lang yan. And then dito sa settings, ang next step ay, kailangan mo lang i-select dito yung search engine. Okay, so click mo lang yan. And then, makikita mo kaagad dito yung search engine. So, the search engine you choose will be used for features like searching from the address bar and from images on the web page. Okay, so kung paano ba natin i-change yung default na search engine natin. So, dito lang sa right side, makikita mo dito yung change. Click mo lang yan. And then, ito na siya. So, makikita mo dito yung search engine. And then, nandito lahat yung mga optional search engine na pwede natin i-select. So, pwedeng Microsoft, pwedeng Yahoo, pwedeng EcoAsia, and then yung DuckDuckGo. So, select ka lang dito. So, once nakapag-select ka na, and then, click mo lang dito yung set as default. Ayan. So, makikita mo dito na Google is now your default search engine. Okay, so ganun lang po kasimple on how to change default search engine in Google Chrome 2024 guide. And please don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel for more quality content. Thank you guys and see you in my next tutorial.